Now it's Pinarello Q36.5, one of their riders going a little bit too deep at the front by the looks of it, and they have got Moschetti ready. NSN choose to follow that. BINI Gourmet sitting third wheel of those NSN riders, right in the middle of the shot there. Final 2 kilometres now in the Classica d'Almeria. And there are teams still in need to move up. Bahrain Victorious coming up now, but they're very spread out. Where Phil Bauhaus is. No, actually, I say that. Bauhaus is there. They've got one more rider overlapping. Tudor Pro Cycling coming up now too. I hadn't expected to see that today, so maybe Mozzato is ready. Can't quite see who the last of their riders is, but it is the Swiss team of Tudor Pro Cycling, who now get themselves organised on front. There's Marco Haller, the former Austrian road race champion, right in the middle. And at the moment, though, they've kind of fed in front of Pinarello Q36.5, and Moschetti will be loving this. There's all sorts of bulking going on in the middle. We do not need any more crashes in a race that's seen, what, 4 or 5 quite nasty-looking crashes late on in this race. Tudor Pro Cycling now have Luca Mozzato sitting just behind Marco Haller, a little bit further back. Janko Alula with one rider there, though. Mateusz Govacar is the Bahrain Victorious rider. Now, Govacar might be left to handle things by himself here. Here go NSN Cycling. They've got... Yeah, BINI Gourmet is being... Oh, there's riders absolutely bulking to try and get on the back wheel of BINI Gourmet, and he has Arnaud Delis on his wheel. This is a great lead out by NSN Cycling. They're doing the last little bit. Louis Aski comes now as well. Fretan being brought up by Cofidis right in the middle. It is Louis Aski who'll lead into this final corner. They've still got 3 riders ahead of BINI Gourmet. The Eritrean rocket is ready to launch. Can they do it? Louis Aski going as deep as he possibly can. I'm looking to see who the next rider is. I think it's Hugo Hofstetter. It is Hofstetter now who goes. BINI Gourmet still seated. Hofstetter the last man to go. We expected this. The Frenchman is going to go deep. He can handle the sprint by himself, but look at this. Fretan coming up. Milan Fretan moving up behind BINI Gourmet. Gourmet leading at this time. Here comes Groenewegen in the middle as well. Fretan, Groenewegen, BINI Gourmet takes it. A second win this season for the Eritrean superstar. NSN Cycling get the win. They're on the radios already celebrating. Where on earth did Milan Fretan come from? The Cofidis jersey came bursting through. But BINI Gourmet gets his second win of the season, and the congratulations of his team as well. What a fantastic sprint finish. I must admit, we had a zoomed in close shot of the front end there. I hope you enjoyed that. I can only apologise for the messy run-in, which was particularly messy, and I just hope all the riders are okay. Here it is from on high again one more time. First time seeing this back, of course. BINI Gourmet, a real fight for the riders to get onto his wheel. I think it was Mateusz Govacar trying to follow the Eritrean, and Arnaud Delis looking good, but not having the full support of his team around him. He's looked across, seen his own teammate back there. That was Joshua Giddings, I think, moving up. Look at the speed of Milan Fretan. Last year's winner for Cofidis comes right up alongside the hip of BINI Gourmet, gets through the gap, so there's no excuse there. And watch the speed of Dylan Groenewegen. Groenewegen closing up behind Fretan, but it's BINI Gourmet holding on. And it might just have been Matteo Moschetti dipping for third. There's Moschetti in the middle in the dark bluey green, just coming into the slipstream of Milan Fretan, but BINI Gourmet, the Eritrean superstar for the newly revamped NSN cycling team, gets his second win of the season.
That sprint is really special one. You discovered it perfectly. Tell us a bit how it was.
Yeah, it was... First of all, I would like to thank my teammate. They did a super incredible job from the start to the finish. And as we see, it was pretty hectic and a lot of roundabout. But we managed quite well. Everybody was super intelligent. We do perfect timing to approach the last 1K together. It's not easy to always find each other the last part, but these guys, they are amazing, they are super intelligent, and they have already so nice experience, and already in a couple of weeks we know each other, what we need to do, and yeah, they dropped me the last 200 meters. To be honest, I never have this kind of lead out, so yeah, I just do the last 1%, so I'm just super incredible with my team.
It's a really special sprint. It was the first time you came. Did you like it?
Yeah, absolutely. It was fantastic. You know, it's not only about the job. They are also behind the scenes. We are close to each other, and then we try to improve every day. We commit each other, and it was nice to work with the guys.
Let you enjoy the podium, and thank you very much. Congrats.